please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
Imam Bukhari's book, called Adab al-Mufrad, narration number 2, teaches Muslims a good way to know if what they are doing is good or bad. In this narration, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, declared that the happiness of Allah, the Exalted, is with the happiness of one's parent, and the anger of Allah, the Exalted, lies with the anger of one's parent. So if a Muslim is unsure whether what they are doing will make Allah, the Exalted, angry or happy, they should imagine if their parent would be happy or angry with their behavior, and in most cases, Allah, the Exalted, will feel the same way. If the Muslim thinks their parent will become angry with their action, they should stop doing it. If they honestly think their parent would be happy with their behavior, then they can continue doing it.